Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a planner layout for the week of November 4th through the 10th. And this week I was inspired by this is actually a kit that I had gotten last November. It's from the company By the Well. And basically what it is it was like a journaling kit, like a devotional kit, and it had a bunch of different cute little things in it. And I pulled out some of the like little feather bits and this little birdie, and then I really liked this little Grateful in All Seasons, and then it came with a scripture, so I thought I would use this for like my journaling card. And then I just have some paper that I thought matched, or at least coordinated with the stickers and stuff. These are actually just scraps that I actually had in my stash, so I'm gonna pull them out and use them. And then they did come with this cute little bookmark, there we go, that I thought I would try to incorporate as well. So I have very limited supplies, so I kind of felt like I'm going to just try to make the best of it. Obviously, I'll pull in some label stickers to write down stuff and that sort of thing, but I figure I'd just give it a shot and see what I come up with. So let's go ahead and start. I was kind of thinking about putting this over here, kind of almost as a little flip, but because I love both sides of this, so I don't really want to lose the scripture in the little birdie, and I thought that I could use this to kind of write the different things down for the week. Like make it part of the planner page. So, and then do a little flip with it so that I could see the other side. But then, no, maybe I should do it this way and then do the flip, and then I could still use the actual planner page. So maybe that's what I'll do. And then this I was just going to use here on the side panel as a piece to cover up that part. And then maybe just, I think I'm just going to cut as many boxes out of this paper and just kind of layer them around and see how that works. So let me get a couple of boxes and this little side panel cut out, and then I will be right back. Pieces cut out. Don't know if I'm loving this color with this. Like, it doesn't really match the feathers, but I feel like it matches the birdie, so I'm just gonna go with it. Sometimes you just gotta go with it. So I think I'm just gonna kind of do kind of like a little standard planner layout kind of thing. Might need a little bit more. Maybe I need to cut some more of these. I think that's kind of what I'm going to go for. I'm really not liking the pink. Pink is not working at all. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do about that. But I think I'm just going to go with this for now. I'm going to trim this up a little bit. So I think it'll fit better on the page. Yeah, I think I like that better. Okay, and then you definitely want to put this somewhere. I think I'm going to pick a washi tape. I don't like the turquoise ones because I feel like they don't quite match. So I think I need to go completely the opposite. The wood grain might be cool because the wood little branch there. Yeah, let me try the wood grain. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is just cut this into little strips. I'm going to use my cutter and I'm going to cut this into little tinier strips. Yeah, I think I'm going to like that. So I'm going to do that to all the lines. And then I'm wondering if I couldn't just put, I think I might just put some wood grain on both at the top and the bottom. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it turned out. And I actually really like it because I feel like it makes it a little bit more fall with the wood washi tape accents. So the next thing that I want to do is put this on the little side panel over here. So I'm going to just take this I think I'll just use this washi tape too for this. I don't know if it's really going to be the right washi tape because it's not super sticky. It's kind of it's not a super sticky washi tape. But I can put some glue on it, I guess, to kind of help it. I definitely don't need it that thick. Probably should have cut this before I put this on here, but that's all right. Okay, so I'm going to just line it up with this. Oops. Well, that didn't work at all. Hold on. Ah. That didn't really work. But I think I'm going to just go with it. I might have to actually put a paper clip. We're just going to go with it. Okay, and then I'm going to put the side panel on over here. I don't really like that that's pink, but I think I'm just going to be okay with it for now. Oh, hello. Okay. So now it's going to be sticker time. ahead and put in my planner. I just put a little tab thing from the Happy Planner, and so I can stick this in there. And yeah, I think that it turned out really super pretty. I really love the color combinations, and yeah, I really like it. I think it's going to be really fun to work in it this week, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. And I'll see you again next week. Bye for now.